Morning, good morning, good morning. Magandang buhay. Ayan, good morning.
Morning, Sir Anton.
Kamusta? Okay ka na?
Okay na.
Good morning. Magandang buhay. Thank you for joining. Sir, 888. Sir Paul, 888 ha. Drivers Alma Salamero, magandang buhay Alma. Siyempre kay Raul Serrano, hello Raul, magandang buhay sa'yo. Sir Limbo, no? Dalawa sila mag-asawa ito sir, no? From Canada. Thank you sa pag-join. Invite natin yung mga natin, no? Mga affiliates natin, no? We have already 140 participants, no? Papasukin natin sila. It's Monday and I'm sure you will be amazed to our great and exciting business, no, Sir Paul?
Yeah, welcome back to us, no? Medyo matagal tayo nawala, no?
Oo, welcome back to us, no? Ganun din, eh. Okay lang. Fight, no? Ganun talaga. Ayan. Sir Eddie Onya, magandang buhay sa iyo. Salamat, no? Tawagin natin yung ating mga kasamahan dito. Siyempre, kay Sir Loreto, no? Sir Loreto Aquino. Ayan ang ating napakagaling na YouTuber, no? Grabe. Ayun. Siyempre, andito rin si...
Meron akong baon, Sir Anton.
Ha?
Meron akong baon.
Anong baon mo? Naku, Diyos ko, patay tayo dito. Anong baon mo? Sige.
Ano daw ang similarity ng COVID sa ni Mike Enriquez?
Similarity ng COVID at Mike Enriquez. Siguro yung, sumalawigit na ang kaluluwa ni Mike Enriquez, no? Siguro sir yung Hello,
Ma'am Judith ng Hong Kong.
Hello, Ma'am Judith. Hello, magandang buhay. Yun, na-miss din namin kayo, no? Ang Pilipino talaga ganyan, eh, no? Laging late. Hindi na natin maalis to, eh, no? Pero okay lang, no? And I appreciate those people who came in, in time or just early, no? Sila Ma'am Lorna Okamoto. Salamat po, no? And considering Sir Paul, no, she is newly invited, no? Siya pa yung nauna, di ba? So dapat, di ba? So I salute you, Ma'am Lorna, no? Siguro dahil na-influence na siya Sir Paul ng Japanese culture, kaya medyo iba na rin yung kanyang kanyang thinking, no? Ayan, sige. Ayan. Si Ma'am Aida Agsalud. Sinong apply mo, Ma'am Aida, if I may ask? Sa England, no? At alam ko dyan sa Pilipinas, it's around, anong oras sa sir? Mga 8, no? 8:14, no? Hello, magandang buhay kay Unknown. Ako, ang pangalan niya, Unknown talaga, eh, no? Bigyan niyo yung pangalan niyo, no? Mas maganda yung makita natin yung pangalan ninyo para mas mabati namin kayo ng mahusay. Hello kay Joy, Drivers Joy from Hong Kong. Salamat sa pag-join. And also kay Eileen Kanda. Ayan. Sige, dumadami na tayo. Mamaya to, mapupuno na tayo ulit. No? Ayan. I think, Sir Paul, we have already enough participants, so I think we better get started. So,
yeah, let's get started.
Tayong mga bagong invite. So,
okay, let me mute everyone po, no? We don't want any distractions during the presentation. Tuloy-tuloy po tayo. If you will have any questions or any concerns, pag-usapan na lang po natin yan by the end of the presentation. Baka naman yung mga katanungan nyo ay masagot natin, no? Throughout the presentation natin, no? So, mas mabilis, mas maganda, mas mabilis nating ma-entertain yung inyong mga questions. So, let me mute everybody, apart of course from our host for today, so we can get started. Ayan, magandang umaga po, good morning po, good afternoon, good evening, kung saan party man kayo ng mundo nakikinig at nanonood today. Isang magandang buhay po sa inyong lahat, no? Napakagaling po nitong platform na to, no? We are all gathered in one platform, pero nanggaling po tayo sa iba't ibang lugar, no? Kumbaga global na po talaga tayo today, di ba? So welcome po sa ating digital business presentation today. But before anything else, I'd like to introduce to you my partner for today, our greatest host of all time, no? Ang ating pong mega host, mega star, no? Mega basketball player, ito po ang mega leader ng Drivers Legacy at Drivers Champion at Drivers Eagles, no? Siya po isang manager dito sa negosyo na to, no? Manager level po siya in a very short period of time, record-breaking time kumbaga, no? At ngayon po patuloy na namamayagpag dito sa negosyo natin. Let's all welcome ang magiting, no? Ang magaling at ang gwapong-gwapo, kilabot ng Koleala, Mr. Anton Sebastian.
Salamat, Sir Bon. No? Likewise, no? Ganun din naman yung aking paghanga sa iyo. No? Love each other, sabi nga nila. Isang mapagpalang umaga po, no? Mula dito sa amin sa England. No? Isang mapagpalang gabi po dyan sa Pilipinas at isang mapagpalang araw po, no? At gabi sa lahat ng nandito ngayon at mga nunood sa ating Facebook Live. No? Hayaan po nating buksan natin at padaluyin ang pagpapala at swerte sa inyong mga tahanan at kung saan man po kayo ngayon naroroon. Ano po? Happy Money Monday po sa lahat. Kung kayo po ay first timer dito at nakita ko nga po, no, may mga first timer tayo dito at bagong invite dito sa ating Zoom webinar, I would like to acknowledge you po and thank you for joining and congratulations po in advance, no? Alam niyo po mga ka-Trivers, mga ka-unit team, pwede po ba ako magtanong sa inyo dahil matagal na po ako hindi nakakapagtanong ulit. Kamusta po ba kayo? No? Kamusta po ba ang buhay-buhay natin? Kaya pa ba natin? Masaya po ba kayo? No? Namimiss po ba natin yung ating pamilya? No? May mga plano po ba tayo na makapag-retire ng maaga? O kailan ba ang balak nating mag-retire? No? May ipon po ba tayo? Ano po? Merong buta ba tayong madudukot kung may pangangailangan tayo? Ano po ba yung mga plano natin para sa ating mga sarili, no? Bakit ko po ito naitanong sa inyo, no? Ako po kasi ay naniniwala na dapat alam natin ang mga sagot sa mga tanong na binanggit ko dahil lahat po tayo ay may dahilan at plano para sa ating sarili at sa ating mga mahal sa buhay. Sino po ang nag-agree sa akin dito, no? Na ang isang tao po ay dapat alam niya ang kanyang plano sa kanyang buhay. Napakahalaga po kasi sa isang tao na alam natin, no, yung plano sa ating buhay, especially po pagdating sa ating finances. Alam niyo po, dapat alam natin talaga kung bakit tayo nabubuhay at kung paano tayo nabubuhay because we have to live a life that we deserve. What we're about to present to you in this Zoom webinar, guys, is an opportunity creating a solution wherein you can do this as a part-time, no? Ano po? Just spending 2 to 3 hours of your time each day and will finally help you to achieve your goal in the shortest possible time. Alam niyo po sa Zoom webinar na ipepresent namin sa inyo, kaya po nandito kayo ngayon, kung bago ka man at patuloy ka nag-a-attend, meron kang dahilan, may purpose ka, meron kang layunin, meron kang plano, kaya ka nandito na. Kung hindi po natin kasi alam ang dahilan o plano natin o purpose natin kung paano tayo nabubuhay, para po tayo daw na isang barko na sumasabay lang sa agos ng buhay, walang direksyon. Kaya ngayon, kapatid, kabalitaan, kasaksi, ka-Tribals, ka-unit team, ka-TikTok, no? Kung naghahanap ka ng solusyon para makamit mo ang mga pangarap mo, you are in the right room. Yan. Our Monday Zoom webinar is about play to earn, learn to earn, travel to earn, and learn how to earn passive income in crypto and blockchain technology. So sit back, relax. If necessary po, please avoid any distractions while listening to our presentation. And today po, no, allow me to introduce to you my partner, no, at the presenter of all time. No, he's an extraordinary leader with a good heart. He lives here in England for more than 24 years now, a nurse by profession, an entrepreneur, a loving father. Ano po? Please help me in welcoming, and ladies and gentlemen, and to many, many men, Director One Star, Mr. Paul de Guzman, aka Mr. Show Me the Money. The screen is yours, Sir Paul. Take it away. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I'm excited today, no, dahil na kababalik lang natin, no, I had some health issues the past few weeks. And also, no, na-miss din natin si Sir Anton, yung partnership natin, no, dito sa webinar natin. Welcome to everyone sa ating digital business presentation, whatever your reasons are for coming here. Maybe some of you are looking for a change. Some of you are looking for a new challenge. some of you are looking for a new opportunity, no? O kaya yung iba sa inyo baka naman napilitan lang pumunta dito or nakikichismis lang kayo, ano ba itong negosyo na to? Bakit pinag-uusapan ng maraming tao, no? Whatever your reasons are, we are here to give you something to be excited about, something to ponder about. Siguro bago kayo matulog mamaya, iisipin niyo itong negosyo na to, whether this is something na pwede niyong pasukan or hindi, no? But definitely it's worth, no, listening and watching to this presentation, dahil by the end of this presentation, mararamdaman nyo that there's an opportunity, no, that there's hope, no, for those of you who are having difficulty achieving your life goals na sinasabi nga ni Sir Anton, di po ba? In our fast-changing world, no, ang dami nang nangyayari, no? Hirap na po ang karamihan sa atin sa buhay, di ba? So, kailangan nating maghanap ng mga bagong opportunity, no? But before I tackle this opportunity, let me give you a brief background of myself, no? Naipakilala na po ako ni Sir Anton, pero sabi nga niya, no, I've been living in the UK, particularly in London, for the last 23 years. So, nagpa-practice po ako ng aking profession dito. I'm a charge nurse, but I also have some side hustle, no? Naging financial advisor po ako, or a protection advisor, nagbebenta ng mga insurance. I also ventured into a franchise business dito sa UK, no, yung sushi, no. And then I encountered this business opportunity during the pandemic period, yung first wave natin nung April 2000, no. So I've been here for more than 3 years. I am now a director 1 star, no. I'm just giving you a brief background of myself para malaman nyo naman that although I'm not an expert, I'm an authority, no, dito, pagdating dito sa negosyo na to. Basically, alam ko kung ano yung sasabihin ko sa inyo. Okay? So, bakit ba natin kailangan ng side hustle, no? Most of you are probably living on a day-to-day basis, no? Hindi yung makaramihan, baka pinoproblema nyo kung ano yung kakainin ng pamilya nyo sa araw-araw, no? And some of you probably have already yung mga patong-patong na problema sa mga bills nyo, sa mga utang nyo, no, sa rising inflation, no, nagkakaroon kayo ng mga financial insecurity, tapos wala kayong mahugot pag dumadating yung mga emergency situation. For example, no, hospital si nanay, no, hospital si tatay, lalong-lalo na yung mga unsung heroes natin, yung mga OFW, no, padala tayo ng pera, no, nauubos din, no, walang pinupuntahan yung mga pinapadala natin, no. Para tayong mga walking time bomb, nasasabog, no, sa dami ng mga financial problems natin, no, at any time. Kaya kailangan putulin natin yung mitsa na yan, no. We need to have a side hustle. I hope we all agree, no, na hindi sapat yung kinikita natin sa ating mga trabaho para mabuhay tayo, much more buhayin yung ating mga pamilya, no? Who agrees with me na kailangan natin ng side hustle at mga racket on the side dyan? Type 1 po dyan sa chat box natin, no? So if you agree with me, let me present to you this side hustle. Pero sabi nga ng mga successful people in the world, no, yung mga richest people in the world, in year 2024 daw po ang magsasucceed lang ay yung gagawin itong 3 bagay na ito. Unang-una, sabi nila kailangan mag-adapt tayo, no? Kung ano yung nangyayari sa mundo natin, kung ano yung mga trending, ano yung mga negosyo na nagkiklik sa mundo ngayon, dapat mag-adapt tayo dyan, no? Kailangan flexible tayo. Number 2, kailangan mag-take tayo ng risk, di ba? Siyempre, no, bawat pasukan nating opportunity, no, merong mga risk yan. Pero hindi ko naman sinabi na isugal niyo yung buhay at kabuhayan niyo, no? Let's take some calculated risk na tinatawag, no? Yung hindi naman tayo matatalo, hindi tayo malulugi na malaki, no, pagka pinasok natin yung mga opportunity na yan. And number 3, you need to commit. Hindi pwede yung ningas kugo, no? Kailangan pag nag-decide tayo na gawin ang isang opportunity na to, all the way, no, bigay niyo yung 100% nyo, i-commit nyo hanggat hindi nyo na-achieve yung goal nyo para doon sa opportunity na yan. Okay? So, yan yung 3 bagay na kailangan natin gawin in order to succeed at ma-achieve natin yung mga dreams and goals natin sa buhay. So, ang ipe-present ko sa inyo today is what we call a business for everyone, or a business of the 21st century. Bakit kamo? Dahil isa po itong negosyo na pwedeng gawin ng kahit sino, pwedeng gawin kahit kailan, at pwedeng gawin kahit saan. Hindi mo kailangan ng malaking kapital, hindi mo kailangan magsanla ng bahay, ng lupa mo, o ng mga ari-arian mo para masimulan mo itong negosyo na to. Maliit na puhunan lang, pwede ka nang kumita ng definitely mas malaki sa sinisweldo mo ngayon. Baka nga 10 times more than what you're earning from your full-time job. Dito sa negosyo na to, pwede kang kumita in euros, pwede kang kumita in the form of NFT na tinatawag o yung non-fungible token, no? Isa po itong digital asset na nag-i-increase in value over time. And of course, pwede kang kumita dito in cryptocurrency. I'm sure most of you have heard of cryptocurrency. Narinig niyo na po yung storya ng Bitcoin, no? And I will give you some more background about it later on. Dito, pwede kang kumita habang naglalaro ka, pwede kang kumita habang natutulog ka. Ito pa ang isang maganda dito. Pwede kang kumita dito habang natutulog ka. Pero don't take it literally. Hindi ko sinabi na pagsali mo sa negosyo na to ay matulog ka tapos maghintay na lang na kumita dito kahit wala kang ginagawa, no? You need to build the foundation of the business first. At pag na-build mo na yung foundation na yan, dadating yung time na kahit wala ka ng ginagawa at kahit natutulog ka, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang pasok ng income sa bulsa mo or sa bank account mo. So, itong negosyo na to, kagandahan din, pwedeng ipamana, no? Pwede itong i-transfer to any members of your family, may iwan mo as a legacy, no? In the unfortunate event na may mangyari sa iyo. Isang negosyo na tinatawag naming 100% na mobile business dahil ang tanging kailangan mo lang upang patakbuhin itong negosyo na to ay isang bagay na meron na ang karamihan sa inyo. Ang inyong mahal na mahal, katabi nyo sa pagtulog nyo, no? At unang hinahanap mo sa paggising mo, yung mobile phone mo. Diyan ang gagamitin natin para magnegosyo dito. Hindi mo na kailangan ng isang malaking opisina, hindi mo na kailangan ng mga inventory, mobile phone mo lang kailangan mo, meron ka ng international at global na negosyo. Exciting po ba? Type 2 po dyan sa chat box natin if you are excited to hear about the details about this business opportunity. Para maintindihan natin itong negosyo na to, you have to keep an open mind, no? Sabi nga ng mga pinaka-successful na tao sa mundo, what separates you and the things that you want in life is your willingness to change your mindset, no? Kasi pagka binubuksan natin yung isip natin sa mga opportunities, natututo tayo ng mga bagong skills, nakakakita tayo ng mga bagong options sa buhay at na-appreciate natin yung mga bagong opportunity na dumadating sa harapan natin. Okay? So if you're ready to open your mindset, let me give you the details of this business opportunity. Pag-uusapan natin about the company, pag-uusapan natin about the powerful products and services, and of course, pag-uusapan natin kung paano tayo kikita dito sa napakaganda at napaka-exciting na opportunity at tuturuan namin kayo kung paano kayo magsisimula dito sa negosyo na ito. Let's talk about the company first. Ang pangalan po ng company natin ay C1 na ang vision po nito is to provide sustainable business opportunities for everyone. Its mission statement is to help humanity thrive by enabling everyone the chance of success. Ano nga po ba ang C1? Ang C1 po isang affiliate marketing company similar to Uber, similar to Amazon, similar to Booking.com. Ano po ba yung ibig sabihin na pareho sila sa Uber at Amazon? Ang Uber po, meron po ba siyang sariling taxi? Wala, di ba? Pero bakit ang laki ng kinikita ng Uber, no? Walang sariling taxi, pero every time mag-book ka ng taxi at sumakay ka dyan at nagbayad ka, part of the money that you pay goes to Uber. Pagka bumili ka naman ng produkto at serbisyo doon sa Amazon, no? Part of the money you pay goes to Amazon. Pag nag-book ka ng hotel dun sa Booking.com, no? Ang Booking.com walang sariling hotel, di ba? Pero part of the money that you pay by using the Booking.com platform napupunta dun sa Booking.com, no? So ganyan na po ang trending sa mga negosyo ngayon, no? By being an affiliate marketing company. Ganoon din po ang C1. Walang sariling produkto. Most of our products and services ay nanggaling sa mga companies na gumagamit ng ating C1 digital platforms, no? And in that way, imbis na yung company ay mag-hire ng mga marketing people, binibigyan tayo ng C1 ng opportunity to become partners of the company at kumita ng malaki, no? Based on profit sharing. Now, yung C1 po, no, most recently, binigyan din tayo ng opportunity para ma-access yung mga exciting technologies tulad ng cryptocurrency, ng Web3, ng NFT at ng mga virtual gaming by providing us products and services, no, yung mga sabi nga ni Sir Anton, we can play to earn, we can learn to earn, we can travel and earn at the same time. Yung mga bagay na enjoy tayong gawin, no, mas may enjoy natin dahil kikita tayo habang ginagawa natin ito. Okay? Now, let me give you more about the company. Ang C1 po nag-start on January 2019. We now have more than 50 million affiliates worldwide. In fact, last January of 2024, no? Muling naging explosive yung growth ng ating company. Umabot po ng 1.5 million ang mga new members natin dito because of the exciting products and services that are upcoming. Malapit nyo nang makita yan. Pag-uusapan po natin maya-maya yan. Okay? Now, the leaders of the company, si Mr. Jonas Eric Werner po, siya po ang visionary founder ng C1. Siya po isang IT expert na meron ng more than 25 years of successful entrepreneurial experience. Si Mr. Martin Blisman naman po ang ating CEO, no? Newly installed CEO. Siya po ay marami din at malawak ang eksperyensa pagdating sa ganitong klaseng industriya, no? Especially in the network marketing industry. Sabi po ni Mr. Blisman, no, he is looking forward to taking C1 forward with optimism with all of us by his side. Okay? So sila po yung mga leaders ng company. And it's very important for you to know them, no, dahil alam niyo naman, no, marami ng mga scam companies ngayon, no, mga fly by night na nag-uusbungan ngayon, no, na hindi mo nakikilala yung mga leaders nila, tapos after a few months lang, 6 months, wala na yung company na yon. But the good thing about our company, we are now very stable, no, we are now entering our sixth year, no, 5 years na po itong company natin. Okay? But you still have the opportunity to become pioneers. Now, pag-usapan naman natin yung mga products and services natin. Ang ating company is tapping into the NFT, trading, and gaming industry. Nandyan po yung mga exciting products natin tulad ng Planet IX at Metaverse. The mobile gaming industry with Emperor Knights. We also have the online education industry through our platform called Mindo and Tigra, and the travel and lifestyle industry with Travelia. But what's making us more excited itong mga upcoming products natin, no, which is tapping into the cryptocurrency industry, yung ating pong C1 token at yung ating C1 wallet. Of course, hindi natin mapapag-usapan lahat ng mga produkto natin, but we will focus on the most important ones, no, yung tutulong sa atin upang kumita ng malaki dito sa this opportunity na to. Lahat ng produkto na yan ay magkakaroon tayo ng access, no, with in one packages na pag-uusapan natin later on. Okay? Now, let's talk about yung first two products natin, yung flagship products natin, no, yung ating mga gaming products. These are standalone products where we can earn by simply playing the gaming platform. Ang gagawin ko po, no, to give you an accurate information, magpapakita po ako sa inyo ng back-to-back videos about these particular products para malaman nyo what these products are all about at paano tayo kikita dito sa mga gaming platforms nito. Ito po yung Planet IX and Metaverse. So sit back and relax, and I will be back later on to give you more details about it. Okay?
The year is 450 after Earth. Agents of change have unknowingly returned to their former home. They call it Planet IX, a world destroyed, full of ancient ruins and wastelands. Their mission is simple: restore, rebuild, and resurrect. Planet IX is an NFT-based strategy game, offering a fun and challenging path to earn rewards in the game's own currency, IX token. The game went on-chain in November 2021 and has since experienced strong growth. Planet IX is currently ranked as a leading game across all blockchains, with more than 100,000 wallets connected daily and over 220,000 wallets holding IXT. The game consists of 4 hubs, all integrated to create a dynamic user experience catering to a broad audience. Trade and build. Planet IX is a digital rendition of Earth, divided into 1.7 billion hexagons called PIX, each one a tradable NFT. Collect PIX with the aim to form territories by connecting a number of adjacent PIX on the map, as territories unlocks IXT rewards. PIX can be acquired directly on Planet IX's own marketplace or in special packs. In Marketplace, you may also trade other in-game assets to be used strategically in the part of the game called Mission Control. farm, and play to earn. In Mission Control, you can monetize your assets when placing picks on land tiles. The tiles will start producing waste, which can be collected either manually or through time-saving technology like drones and rovers. In Planet IX, waste serves as a valuable resource that can be converted to consumable assets, which are needed to build facilities. Facilities produce energy, the ultimate asset in Mission Control, as energy can be spent on exclusive packs or staked for IXT rewards. All in-game assets are NFTs that you own and monetize. This is Planet IX's free-to-play and play-to-earn mechanic, staking and DeFi. As you start building territories or producing energy, you can head over to IX Foundation, Planet IX's GameFi platform. Here you may lock up your collected assets to earn IXT. IX Foundation also offers staking rewards for staking IXT, as well as providing liquidity, creating a natural landing page for anyone who owns or is interested in IXT, gamer or not. Gaming and esports. Whether you want to enjoy just a casual game or a multiplayer competitive one, visit the IX Arena. IX Arena is funded by revenues generated from Marketplace and Mission Control, and by playing the games, you have the chance to earn IXT. This provides an excellent opportunity for new players, as you can use your winnings to explore the full Planet IX experience in Marketplace, Mission Control, and IX Foundation. To find out more about Planet IX and start playing, head over to planetix.com.
So that's Planet IX, no, a very exciting blockchain-based strategy game, no, na has been leading the competition for the last 2 years since the launch of Planet IX. No, tayo na po ngayon ang number 1 na Polygon blockchain-based strategy game. In fact, marami na pong mga gamers ang kumita ng malaki in the form of IXT. No, ito po yung sariling crypto token ng Planet IX, no, which has been converted into cash already. Okay. Now, the next one is a very exciting upcoming gaming platform, which is promising to be even better than Planet IX, even more profitable than Planet IX, and we are excited about this. So watch this video again.
Enter a world where you call the shots, where you make the decisions, where you reap the benefits, where your trading skills are your superpowers. The most immersive virtual trading game in the multiverse. From a global crew of designers and the best game developers in the world. Learn, trade, interact, grow. Play to earn right now in real time. With powerful virtual trading portfolios. The game of the future. With the edge of crypto and the blockchain. It's the start of a revolutionary new world. The world of Metaversity. Your new superpower.
That's true, no? This is the new superpower. In fact, nagkaroon na po ito ng beta testing. Kumbaga, selected members of C1 have already tried and tested this Metaverse game, no? And all of them are saying that this is an even more exciting game than Planet IX, no? So watch out on the official launching of Metaverse very, very soon. And Now we tap on the travel and lifestyle industry naman, no? Pinakilala sa atin ng ating company itong produkto na tinatawag na Travelia. This is basically your very own hotel booking engine, similar to booking.com, hotel.com, Agoda, no? Hindi niyo na kailangan na mag-book ng inyong mga hotels through those platforms dahil meron na kayong sariling hotel booking platforms once you become part of this particular business opportunity, no? To show you how it works, again, magpapakita po ako ng video kung paano nyo ba gagamitin itong travel platform na ito. So yun po yung Travelia, no? We all know na one of the most expensive pag nagta-travel tayo ay yung pagbo-book ng hotel. But this time with Travelia, you'll be saving up to 65%, no? With Travelia having access to more than 800,000 hotels and other resort accommodations worldwide, no? So napaka-exciting po ng Travelia. You can get it for free and save some money in your hotel bookings, or you can subscribe to Travelia to maximize up to 65 to 75 to 70% dito sa inyong mga hotel bookings. Okay? But what's exciting us are the upcoming products and services, because finally we will be tapping into the digital business world, no? Papakilala ng company itong two exciting products natin. Unang-una itong C1 Wallet na tinatawag, a global wallet system that connects us to the Web3 and the Metaverse, no? Ito po isang secure storage for our C1 token, yung mga NFT, yung mga digital assets na kikitahin natin dito sa negosyo. I'm sure you've heard of Binance, you've heard of coin, ano nga ba yun? Yung sa Philippines, no? Yung coin, ano nga ba yung C? Sir Anton, nakalimutan ko yung mga coin wallet, no? Coins.ph, yun, coins.ph, no? So basically, kung yung mga physical wallet natin, pinagtataguan natin ng pera, ang C1 wallet naman natin, pagtataguan natin ng mga digital money, digital assets natin, yung mga digital cryptocurrency token natin, no? And that is the next product na introduce ko po sa inyo, no? Very exciting token that the company is about to launch in the next few weeks, no? O 2 months, no? Malapit na po ito. Ito po yung tinatawag na C1 token, no? So we are given by the company an opportunity to take our place as pioneer. I'm sure you remember the days of Bitcoin, no? Kailan nyo unang narinig yung Bitcoin? Let me give you some history, no, nung itong napaka-powerful na cryptocurrency na to. Yung Bitcoin po, nagsimula po yan way back in 2009, no? Nagkaroon po yan ng mga controversial issues, no, dahil sabi ng ibang tao scam daw yan, no. In 2009 ang value lang po ng ating Bitcoin is more or less mga $0.001, no. Wala pa sigurong 5 piso yan, di ba? Narinig natin sa ating mga kaibigan natin, yung iba sa kanila nag-invest on Bitcoins, no, pero hindi natin pinaniwalaan. Sabi natin mas pinaniwalaan natin na scam ang Bitcoin, no. 14 years later, 2023, umabot ng $40,000 ang presyo ng Bitcoin. In 2024, alam niyo po ba kung magkano na ang value ng isang Bitcoin? More than $50,000 na po, no? So yung from 5 pesos in 2009, umabot na po ng $50,000 ang value ng isang Bitcoin na yon. At ang prediction po, before the end of 2030 o baka nga ngayon pa lang 2024, umabot na ng more than $100,000 ang value ng isang Bitcoin. So kung ikaw hindi natakot at hindi naniwala sa mga mga hearsay noong 2009, dapat multimillionaire ka na ngayon. That includes myself because I also doubted, no? May nag-invite sa akin na mag-invest sa Bitcoin pero hindi ko paniniwalaan. And that is something that I really regret. Okay? Pero hindi pa huli dahil after Bitcoin, marami ng mga sumunod na mga cryptocurrency who followed the footstep of Bitcoin and naging pretty successful din. And that's the reason why pinasok din ng C1 yung cryptocurrency industry by introducing to us our C1 token. But we need to get ready for this. No? Wag nating hintayin na mag-launch ito before we act on it. No? The launching is coming very soon. It's just around the corner. So let's get ready for the C1 token by simply owning C1 token right now. No, not later, right now. Okay? Now, how do you own C1 token? Ang key po natin para mag-own tayo ng C1 token ay yung 5 packages na nakikita nyo sa harapan nyo. Yung earth, yung air, yung water, yung fire, at yung 5th element package na tinatawag. No? Why do we need these packages? No? At bakit kailangan natin magkaroon ng C1 token? Dahil inaasahan po that C1 token will become a major player in the cryptocurrency industry. The aim of the company is to make C1 token the top Polygon base, no, na cryptocurrency token tulad ng ginawa nila doon sa Planet IX. We are also aiming to become one of the top 5 cryptocurrency in the world after Bitcoin and Ethereum. And mind you, no, hindi malabong mangyari yan. Bakit? Kasi nung introduce yung Bitcoin and Ethereum, wala pa silang captive market, no? So, nahirapan pa silang i-convince yung mga tao, yung mga investors, no, that they are real, no? Pero ngayon, ang dami na nagkakandara pa na mag-invest yan, di ba? But this time, C1 token has a captive market already. Bakit? Dahil ang C1 ay meron na more than 50 million, no? C1 members that are ready to grab the C1 token and ready to profit in the C1 token, no? So magiging utility token ito, gagamitin natin ito doon sa mga gaming platform natin at itutuloy lang natin, no, yung growth niyan. So inaasahan that it will soon become one of the major players in the cryptocurrency industry. So let me show you na kung paano pa tayo magkakaroon ng C1 token na yan. As I've mentioned, kailangan magmay-ari tayo ng isa sa mga packages na to. Nandyan po yung earth, yung air, yung water at yung fire package. Ano bang makukuha natin sa mga packages na yan? Unahin po natin yung earth package, no? By owning an earth package, you will have your first NFT na tinatawag or non-fungible token. Digital asset po ito na nag-i-increase yung value over time, no? Lately po marami po mga celebrities na who are tapping into the NFT industry, no? So ang magmamay-ari po tayo ng tinatawag na Earth NFT. Ito po yung Genesis Generation NFT, yung kauna-unang NFT na ginawa po ng ating company. So it is expected na yung value niya ay mag-i-increase over time. So for only 8,000 to 9,000 pesos or $129, magmamay-ari ka na ng Earth package na yan. Nandiyan na po yung iba't ibang produkto ng ating company including Metaverse at Planet IX, pero ang mas matindi dito, magmamay-ari ka ng 1,000 C1 tokens already. But if you want to start even bigger, no, nandiyan naman po yung air package natin for only 319 euros or 20 to 22,000 pesos. Dalawang NFT na ang makukuha mo in this package including the air NFT. You'll get Metaverse, you'll get Planet IX and the other products and services, but you will get more C1 tokens here. 2,500 po ang laman ng package na yan. Now, if you want it even bigger, nandyan po yung water package for only 50 to 55,000 pesos or 819 euros. Tatlong NFT na ang laman ng package na yan, including the water NFT. You'll have 7,500 C1 tokens. And last but not the least, yung fire package natin, the biggest package natin ay 150 to 160,000 pesos or 2,000, magkano ba yan? 519 euros, no? You will become a powerful business person dito. Bakit ka mo? Dahil 4 na NFT na yung ang magkakaroon ka, including the fire NFT. So sa'yo na yung earth, air, water, at fire, no? Para ka ng Encantadia yan, di ba? Kapangyarihan ng araw, ng hangin, ng lupa, ng hangin, ng araw, ng tubig at ng apoy, di ba? So, with the fire package, you will also maximize the number of your C1 tokens dahil bibigyan ka ng company ng 20,000 C1 tokens. So, yan po yung 4 na packages na pwede natin pagpilian upang makapasok tayo dito sa negosyo na to, no? If you are to ask me ano ba yung pinakamagandang package yan, of course I would tell you na yung fire package because mama-maximize mo yung potential income mo, tapos makukuha mo lahat ng mga powerful products and services natin, no? Plus you get the maximum number of C1 token dito sa negosyo na to. So if you're a business-minded person, risk taker ka, I would definitely start on a fire package. But if you are nervous, no, kung medyo gusto mo sigurista ka o kaya meron kang problema sa budget, I would definitely recommend na mag-start ka on the smallest package. 129 euros lang po yan or 7,000 or mga 8,000 to 9,000 pesos po, no? Depende po sa conversion, no? Ng euros to Philippine peso, no? Mag-start ka lang on the Earth package and then later on, pagka kumikita ka na, you can always upgrade to an even bigger package hanggang marating mo yung pinaka-biggest package natin, no? That's how most people do it, no? They start on the smallest package and then nag-upgrade sila to the biggest package pagka nasubukan na nila, no, at kumikita na sila dito sa negosyo nito. Okay? Now, the company is so generous, meron tayong ongoing promotion ngayon. If you join before the 29th of February, the company gives you a free upgrade to the bigger package, no? Libre po, basically. So, ibig sabihin, pagka kumuha ka ng Earth package, ang binayaran mo Earth, pero ang bibigay sa'yo ng company ay Air package. Pagka bumili ka naman ng Air package, bibigyan ka ng Water package. Pagka bumili ka ng Water package, bibigyan ka ng Fire package. And if you purchase the Fire package, no, syempre, yun na yung pinaka-biggest package natin, no? Bibigyan ka ng company ng limited edition, no, bigger package na tinatawag na Fifth Element package, which will give you even more C1 token, more NFT, including 2 legendary NFT, no? But then again, this is until February 29 only, so you have to take advantage of this great promotion ng ating company. Okay? Now, what's the significance ng mga C1 tokens natin? Let me give you a clearer picture, no? This time, I want you to use your imagination. Di ba sinabi ko kanina, yung Bitcoin, nung nagsimula siya, magkano lang? Mga $0.001, di ba? Di ba? Pero after 14 years, magkano na? $50,000. So, ganun din magsisimula ang C1 token natin, no? Let's expect it to have a value of, let's say, mga 1 cent na lang, no? 1 cent of a dollar na lang. So, kung meron kang 1,000 C1 token because you have an Earth package, yung 1,000 C1 tokens mo becomes 1,000 cents, di ba? But don't focus on the now. Focus on the future. Think about what happened to Bitcoin. Think about what happened to Ethereum. What if after 1 year, umabot na ng $1 yung value ng C1 token mo? So, ibig sabihin, yung 1,000 cents mo, naging $1,000. And what if you are an owner of a Fire package or even a Fifth Element package? Meron kang 20,000 C1 tokens, no? In the beginning, you have 20,000 cents, which is malaki na rin, mga $2,000 na rin po yun, no? Pero, after 1 year, kung ang value ng isang C1 token ay $1 na, that's $20,000. Kung 35,000 ang C1 tokens mo, that's $35,000. So that's how you think, that's the way of thinking pagdating dito sa cryptocurrency, no? So whether you like it or not, doon po pupunta yon. Okay? Dahil dadami lang po ng dadami yung gagamit ng cryptocurrency token natin. That's why it's very important, no, to take your place as a pioneer in this industry. Huwag niyo hintayin pagka marami nang nagkaroon ng C1 token. Ngayon pa lang, no? Be part of the business, be part of the launching ng C1 token natin, no? Own your C1 token already. Now, if you are an old member, no, sumali ka in 2019 up to 2022, matatandaan natin, nagko-collecta tayo ng mga crowd 1 rewards, yung mga loyalty points natin, no? Now, it will have a value of its own dahil yung company i-convert yung C1 rewards natin tsaka yung mga loyalty points natin into C1 token. So that will give us an opportunity na madagdagan yung mga C1 token na kasama dun sa package natin. Okay? Now, tatlo po yung options natin para makaklaim tayo ng sarili nating C1 token. First option para sa mga old members, no? Libre po, wala kayong babayaran. But you will only get 10% on your base C1 token. So yung mga C1 rewards nyo, loyalty points, i-convert into C1 token, kukunin yung 10% nyo, yun ang pwede nyong i-claim. Second option, no, magbayad ka ng 19 euros na administration fee the company will give you all the base C1 token based on the conversion of your C1 rewards and loyalty points. Plus, the company will also give you a 2 times multiplier. Dodoblihin niya yung base C1 token based on the conversion. Number 3 option natin, ito po yung pinakamaganda. No, mag-upgrade ka whether you are an old member or new member, no, get your own element package, no? By paying 19 euros plus, no, the value of your package, for example, Earth package, the company will give you a 3 times multiplier. No? Multiply by 3 yung laman, yung C1, yung base C1 token mo. Pag air package owner ka, 4 times. Pag water package owner ka, 6 times. Pagka fire package owner ka, 8 times. Pagka fifth element package owner ka, 10 times multiplier ang ibibigay sa atin ng company. And that will give us an opportunity to collect more C1 token even before the token is launched. No? So ready po tayo dyan. Now, aside from owning the C1 token and aside from profiting on the value of the C1 token alone, no, kahit itago mo lang yung C1 token na yun, no, kikita ka na ng passive income doon. But aside from that, meron pang ibang paraan para kumita dito sa negosyo na to. Let's talk about the compensation plan highlights lang po. No? Highlight lang po ito. So, nandyan po yung sales bonus natin, yung crowd bonus, yung matching bonus, yung residual bonus. No? Ang sales bonus po, self-explanatory, no? Every time you subscribe to, every time you refer the products and services of our company, tapos nag-subscribe sila, you get a certain percentage on that sales, no? Ang crowd bonus naman po, dito po, no, pinakikita tayo ng company by simply referring our friends, our families, and kahit sino pwede nating i-refer dito, no? Yung mga referrals natin, hahatiin ng company sa dalawang grupo, yung left and right na tinatawag, no? And the company will pay us on those referrals in the form of Bitcoins or euros if you want, no? So, Bitcoin po ang ibabayad sa atin ng company. So, that gives us an opportunity na kumita rin in the form of Bitcoin, di ba? So, napakalaki po ng pwede natin kitain dito sa crowd bonus na ito. Matching bonus naman po, no? Dito naman kumikita tayo based on the income ng mga taong na-refer na natin dito sa negosyo, no? Pag paulit-ulit sila nagsa-subscribe sa mga produkto at serbisyo natin and they continue to refer people, kumikita tayo ng 10% matching bonus based on their income. For example, yung mga refer natin kumita ng $100, edi meron tayong $10 doon. Eh kung kumita sila ng $1,000, edi meron din tayong $100 doon, no? So that's a matching bonus, no? Na kinikita natin extra on the side. Pero ang pinakamalaking income na pwede natin kitain dito, yung tinatawag na residual bonus, because this is the profit sharing side of the business. So basically, a percentage of the sales of the profit on the sales ng ating lahat ng product and services ng ating company all over the world, the company will give us back a certain percentage of that. Paghahati-hatian ng lahat ng members ng C1. Depende kung ano yung rank mo, no? That's why narinig nyo kanina, may manager, may director, no? Let me discuss to you about it, no? So dito pwede ka maging team leader, pwede ka maging coordinator, manager, director, president, senior president, and ambassador, no? So yung percentage ng profit ng company, paghahati-hatian natin, depende kung ano yung ranggo mo. Pag mas mataas ang ranggo mo, mas malaki ang matatanggap mong monthly residual income from the company. I repeat, monthly residual income dahil buwan-buwan ibibigay sa atin to ng company. So this is comparable to a monthly pension. Ito na yung sinasabi ko na pwede tayong kumita kahit natutulog tayo, no? Pagka narating natin yung certain level of achievements na iyan. Okay? So yan po yung 4 na malalaking bonuses na pwede ibigay sa atin ng company aside from the profit na kikitain natin o aside from the passive income na kikitain natin by simply owning and collecting C1 token natin. Okay? Now, more opportunities na magkaroon ng mas maraming C1 token from the company. This is another promo of the company for a limited period until February 29. Ito yung tinatawag natin na 10 million C1 tokens through the referral club competition. How do we go about it? By simply referring people to the business, na bumili ng mga C1 element packages natin. If you place in the top 1,500, isa ka sa maghahati-hati doon sa 10 million C1 tokens na yan. So you could be owning more than 1 million token kung magpe-place ka on the top of the 1,500 in the referral club competition natin. So napaka-exciting po nitong competition na ito. You also get, now, for us to get all the bonuses na binanggit ko po kanina, including the sales bonus, yung mga binary bonus, yung o yung crowd bonus o yung matching bonus at yung residual bonus natin, kailangan magkaroon tayo ng tinatawag na activity points, no? Because the product has to move or nobody gets paid. Remember, partners tayo dito ng company. So yung company kailangan kumita para tayo kumita para magtuloy-tuloy yung ating mga negosyo. So kailangan, no, aside from being business partners, we are also patronizing the products and services ng ating company. So kailangan natin magkaroon ng activity points na tinatawag on a monthly basis. How does it work, no? So the company requires us to have certain number of activity points every month, no? Depende pa rin doon sa rango natin. Pag mas mababa ang rango mo, mas maliit lang yung requirement natin. Pag mas mataas, mas malaki na yung requirement natin. Dalawa yan, personal activity points, tsaka merong group activity points na tinatawag. Pero pagka ikaw ay team leader hanggang coordinator, simple lang yan. 5 activity points lang ang nire-require sa atin ng company, no? Which means yung personal activity points mo o activity points ng person in your group, no, is already enough for you to earn those commissions. Pero pagka manager ka, director ka, hanggang ambassador 3 stars ka, lumalaki yung required na group activity points sa'yo. Pero yung personal activity points ay hindi pa rin nagbabago, no? Napakasimple naman para magkaroon ka ng activity points. First, pwede ka mag-subscribe to the Planet IX Astro Cup Meta shares, no? Pwedeng 1 month, pwedeng 6 months, pwedeng 12 months. That will give you the activity points you require. Hindi lang po yan. That will also entitle you ng additional sales bonus, residual bonus. And of course, no, yung meta share na tinatawag, which also gives you a passive income in the Planet IX gaming platform. Pangalawa naman, no, pwede naman tayo mag-subscribe sa Travilla. Again, no, pwede kayong magkaroon ng Travilla booking engine ng libre, no? You'll get siguro mga 10 up to 20% discount. Pero if you subscribe to Travilla, no, para ma-maximize yung discounts nyo from 65% to 70, even to 70%, no? Mag-subscribe ka ng 1 month, 6 months, or 12 months, nandyan po yung price niya, no? And depending on your subscription, nakasalalay po doon yung activity points nyo doon sa ating negosyo. No? Pag 1 month, meron kang 5 activity points. Pag 6 months, meron kang 30 activity points. Pagka 12 months, meron kang 60 activity points yan. No? So, ibig sabihin, hindi mo na problema yung activity points mo for the whole year. And again, incredible discounts at over 800,000 hotels worldwide. Okay? Now, we have a roadmap doon sa ating C1 token. Kailan ba natin makikita yung C1 token na yan? No? Nandito na po tayo sa quarter 1, no, ng 2024. At nandyan po yung ilo-launch po ng company yung Web3 wallet natin, yung global wallet system natin. I heard that it's going to be launched by the end of February, no? Tapos sa next quarter, no, from March hanggang to June, diyan na natin makikita yung global launching ng ating C1 token, no? Tapos it follows on the third quarter ng paglagay ng C1 token natin sa ecosystem, no? And lastly, sa last quarter, malalagay na tayo dun sa global listing, no, yung exchange na tinatawag, no. So basically ma-incorporate na tayo dun sa mga Binance o yung iba't iba pang mga global wallet system. Okay? So very exciting. Don't wait until the product is launched, no. Ngayon pa lang mag-ipuna kayo ng C1 launch para pag launch yan, you can start earning a passive income on it already. Okay? So the airdrop claim is ongoing. It is prolonged actually hanggang February 29 po. Pwede po kayo mag-collect ng inyong mga C1 token natin. Okay? So, I presented to you the company, the exciting products and services, kung paano kakikita, no? We also have training programs para maintindihan natin, no? Kasi iba sa inyo siguro sasabihin nyo, hindi ko linya to kasi eto ko, graduate ako ng ganito. Remember that I am a graduate of nursing. I am practicing my profession as a nurse dito po sa UK, no? Hindi ko po pinag-aralan itong industry na ito. Pero, when I joined this business opportunity, I submitted myself to the training programs and in no time, natutunan ko po kung paano gawin itong negosyo na to. There are a lot of sources ng mga knowledge and information dito. Nandyan po yung mga Zoom meetings natin, nandyan po yung mga YouTube tutorials natin, sa dashboard ng C1 natin, no, which you will have access every day. Ang dami pong information dyan, plus yung mga online education platform natin dyan, di ba? So, importante po na maintindihan natin yung negosyo so we can maximize the benefits nitong business na ito. So, how do you get started? Tulungan ko po kayo. Unang-una, you have to join the crowd, no? Whoever invited you into this business opportunity, magpapadala ng invitation link sa iyo or even a QR code, tapos mag-sign up ka na, no? Just enter your personal details and then start using your products, no? And services. Tapos pagka natuwa ka, nagandahan ka sa mga products and services, i-share mo yung products and services natin. Mag-recommend ka ng mga friends mo to use the products as well. Mag-build ka ng customer base mo. Number 3, show the plan, no? Kung nagustuhan mo yung business opportunity natin, malamang baka magustuhan din yung mga friends and families mo, no? So pakita natin sa kanila, wag natin itong pagkait sa kanila because who knows, they may be also looking for an opportunity to earn extra income. So, ipakita natin ito, invite natin sila sa ating mga Zoom webinars, no? O kaya, you can do a one-to-one presentation kung marunong ka na, no? But for the meantime, pwede nyo kaming i-leverage. Kung meron kayong mga gustong invite, no? Dalhin nyo lang po sa mga regular Zoom meetings natin. And number 4, of course, pagka productive and active affiliate ka ng C1, there are a lot of incentives and bonuses that are waiting for you, no? Lahat po yan ibibigay ng company sa atin. So, now that I've laid to you all the cards, no, na-present ko na po sa inyo lahat ng information na kailangan nyo, I hope I've given you some excitement, I've given you something to think about, no? Pero sabi nga nila, no, nagsisimula yan with a decision. Every accomplishment starts with a decision to try. Some of you will probably already jump into the opportunity o baka nga iba sa inyo members na, no? Kung magaling kayo pagdating sa mga negosyo, no? You will grab the opportunity. Maintindihan nyo that timing and positioning is very critical. But some of you will probably will dilly-dally o mag-iisip-isip pa, no? Gusto mo malaman every details no bago mo siya pasukan, no? Let me remind you, no, there's a perfect timing, no, in every business, and that perfect timing is the moment you see that opportunity, no? Kasi sabi ko, very critical yung positioning, very critical yung timing. Bakit kamo? Especially in this nature of the business, no, merong referrals, di ba? Yung mga tao na iniisip natin that we want to refer to this business opportunity, no? If you think for 1 week, 2 weeks bago ka mag-jump into the opportunity, baka sila mauna pang sumali sa'yo and later on, ini-invite ka na nila. Diba? Ikaw na yung naging prospect. In business sila yung naging prospect mo. Diba? So, very important po, no? Whatever your decisions you have made 5 to 10 years ago, that ang resulta yung ngayon mo. Diba? And whatever you are going to be in the next 5 to 10 years, nakabase yan sa decision na gagawin mo today. So that's very, very important, di ba? It can make or break you, basically. Sabi nga ni John Maxwell, no? You'll never change your life until you change something you do daily. Marami sa atin nananalangin, umaasa na magbabago yung buhay nila sa araw-araw na paggising nila, di ba? Lord, sana magbago na yung takbo ng... Lord, sana maahon ako sa kahirapan. But the question is, what are you doing on a daily basis? Meron ka bang bagong ginagawa? Kung ang ginagawa mo is gumising sa umaga, pumasok sa trabaho, no? Tapos uwi uli sa bahay, tapos pagising ka uli sa umaga, tapos pasok sa trabaho, walang magbabago. Dahil yung sweldo mo, pareho pa rin the next day. No? Umaasa ka ba na the next day, pagising mo, dodoblehin na nung CEO ng company yung sweldo mo, no? Malabong mangyari yun. It will take a lot of time, no? Baka umabot ka ng retirement age bago mangyari yun, di ba? So, if you want something different to happen into your life, kailangan meron kang bagong ginagawa on a daily basis, no? Doon magbabago yung resulta mo. Pero kung wala kang ginagawang bago, wag mong asahan na magbabago yung resulta natin, di ba? Don't wait until retirement age, no? 65 years old ang retirement age natin, no? And kahit pagbale-balentungin mo pa man yung mga facts, no? Nakita mo na yan sa tatay at nanay mo, nakita mo na yan sa mga tito at tita mo, no? Nakita mo na yan sa mga kaibigan mo na umabot ng 65 years old, kayod kalabaw, no? Nagtatrabaho, pagdating ng 65 years old, no? Hikahos pa rin, no? kapos pa rin, no? Walang budget beyond retirement, no? Hindi ma-enjoy yung buhay. Namamalimos pa rin at humihingi ng nangungutang dun sa mga family members nila na may kaya. Imagine working hard for 30 to 40 years pero ganun din pala yung kahihinatnan mo, di ba? So don't simply rely in employment, no? Do something on the side. Do something better than being employed, no? Kasi kung aasa ka lang sa sweldo mo, ganun din ang kahihinatnan mo, katulad din ng mga kamag-anak mo, no? So it's very important na magkaroon ka ng continuous search for opportunities na makakapagpabago talaga ng takbo ng buhay mo. Who knows? This could be the opportunity that you have been praying for and you have been waiting for a very, very long time. Diba? Sabi nga ni Ken Poiro, no, today is the opportunity to build the tomorrow that you want. No, you don't build your tomorrow tomorrow. You build your tomorrow today. Diba? Kasi kung puro ka bukas, aabutin ka na ng 65 years old, no, bukas ka pa rin ng bukas. So get started now. Hindi ko sinasabing C1 is the only opportunity around. Marami. But I believe that C1 is probably one, if not the best opportunity, no, na pwede nating gawin, no? Lahat tayo, no, kasi because this is something that you can do anytime and anywhere. All right? So maraming salamat po for joining us today. We will be doing more webinars this week, no, because I'm currently on leave, no, for 1 week. So I'm also planning to do a webinar tomorrow. So kung meron na kayong invite tomorrow, just bring them to the Zoom webinar and we will be here to help you build your own organization, build your own empire. Maraming salamat po. Ito po muli si Paul D. Guzman, nagsasabing daig ng maaga pang masipag. Thank you very much po.
Ayun, daig ng maaga pang masipag. Maraming salamat, sir, for what a powerful, amazing, fantastic business presentation, no, na pinakita sa atin ni Sir Paul. Napakalinaw po and very informative, no?